Hello, welcome to the Quickmail video tutorial. Your professor may include Quickmail in their online course page. This can appear as a block on the side of your course, it may also appear as a link. This depends on your professor's Moodle settings. Quickmail is a special tool in Moodle that gives participants in a class the ability to quickly send Oakland emails to fellow classmates and professors without needing to look up email addresses. Using this tool, send a message to the intended recipient's Oakland email address and keep a copy of the message for the sender in Quickmail. Using Quickmail to send out a message is fairly simple. Click on the Compose Message link in the Quickmail block. You can add or exclude people using the To and Exclude boxes. Type out your subject in the Subject field. Type out your message in the Body field. Towards the bottom of the page, you can also choose to add an attachment. By clicking Enable, you can also choose when you want to send the message. Then click on Send Message when you are done. If you aren't ready to send the message now, you can click the Save Draft button. This will place the draft in your Quickmail block under the View Drafts link. When you send a message, the recipients will get the email sent to their Oakland email. It will come from your Oakland email, so if they reply to it, it will go back to your Oakland email inbox. This means that the messages will be kept outside of Moodle. Note that you will have a copy of the message saved in your Quickmail block under the View Sent Messages link. You can also add signatures to the bottom of your Quickmail messages. This process is easy. In the Quickmail box, click on the My Signatures link. Add a title, which will be something you see as a label for the signature. Type your signature in the signature box. By checking the default box, you will designate this signature to be added to all messages that you send by default. Finally, click Save at the bottom of the page.
Need more help? For technical support, contact the e-LIS support team by clicking the Get Help button at the top of any Moodle page. For e-LIS instructional design services like lessons or course building, email idteam@oakland.edu.